I'm Mark Latosh. I'm a professor in the Department of Kinesiology, and I'm also director of the Motor Control Laboratory in the department. Motor control is a relatively young field of science, so we're trying to define the laws of nature that rule how the brain interacts with the rest of the body and with the environment in the production of natural everyday movements. So we have special experimental setups for the study of the finger coordination. We have a setup that we call inverse piano. On a regular piano, you press on the keys. In the inverse piano, keys press on you. So we ask people to do multi-finger actions, and then their fingers are manipulated by the inverse piano. We have expanding handles. It's a handle instrumented with force moment sensors which describe the whole mechanical action of the hand on the handle. We can change the geometry of the handle in a controlled fashion. So we're studying impaired movements from healthy elderly people in whom the impairment is very mild, to people with Down syndrome, and to people with really severe problems with movements with neurological disorders. So we hope that this kind of research will really have an impact on the early diagnosis of these disorders and on informing physicians how to handle them, how to optimize treatment and rehabilitation of those patients. The main importance for us is the excitement of developing a new field of science. Physics of biological objects, physics of living beings does not exist yet. And we are trying our best to make it a science like physics of inanimate nature that's very well developed. We hope that our studies will inform clinicians on how to diagnose earlier and better certain movement disorders, how to handle them better, how to follow the patients and to quantify improvements or impairments in their coordination and control of movements.